Nice phone. Glad. All right, it's delivery day. UPS just came, dropped this off. This is a bonus video. I've done a similar video on my tech channel that I really don't use anymore. I wanted to do this video just because, you know, as a bonus video. I'm always hyping Apple products, and today will be no different. Got a new cell phone. Let's get into it. So like I said, I've got the new iPhone 13 Pro Max came out back in September. And I did a video where I unboxed my silver one and my wife's blue one. And I got the desire to change the color of my phone. So I sold my 13 Pro Max expecting to be able to order one and get it right away. And I was supposed to have this. Oh, it looks like I tore my pull tab there. I was supposed to get this Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve came and went. It did not come. Called Best Buy. Best Buy said there was a pre-authorization failure. We got it taken care of. It was supposed to come Tuesday. UPS got delayed. Supposed to come Wednesday. UPS got delayed again. I've been using an iPhone 11 Pro Max for the last week until I got my hands on my other 13 Pro Max, since I sold my 13 Pro Max to a friend of mine who wanted to give it as a Christmas gift. I had the silver one. Now it's time for the space gray one, or graphite, or whatever you want to call it. It's the black one. I can't wait. I'm excited about this. I tore my pull tab up opening it up. Probably shouldn't have used scissors along the side. Let's get these pull tabs open. Get this phone open. And there we have it. Now we got that graphite nice and clean. There's big camera bump. Very satisfying. Inside the box, we've still just got the Apple stickers and USB-C to lightning cable. Nothing special inside the box. The very first video I did on my YouTube channel was showing my daughter open her 12 Pro Max back in January, and I also ordered her one of these. So I may film her opening hers, and we'll see what happens with that. It just depends on what we're doing later today. So it does require a SIM card to activate. So I'm gonna pull my SIM card back out of my 11 Pro Max. Still have my 5G SIM card from the 13 Pro Max from before, so we're just gonna use that one here. All right, SIM card's active. Let's try again. While we're waiting, check out this Lord Voldemort pop ornament that I got for Christmas. I like Harry Potter. If you know anything about me personally, you know that I love Harry Potter. My wife came in and gave me a Funko Pop Lord Voldemort Christmas ornament, and there's more to this. There's an inside story that I probably won't get into, but I love this kind of stuff. Just got this here sitting on my desk. Also, I've got this Halo toy that I ordered back in October. And it finally came, but the box is so big that I can't really do much with it as far as an unboxing video, because it won't show up very well on camera. Like, that's literally as much as I can get in the frame. I tried to do a video on it. I'm working on a better studio setup at my house. It's going to be about a month before that's finished, so hopefully we can make some better videos and make some more creative videos. Alright, let's just get in here and take a look at what's going on with this phone, because I have to go back to the computer and do my restore from backup. Just trying to skip all this stuff. Alright, pretty standard stuff. The wallpapers haven't changed. I've got some live wallpapers here. Those are pretty nice to look at, but that's about it. That's an iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite. Yeah, the color is graphite, no more space gray. Stainless steel frame. Nice phone. Glad to be back in a 13 Pro Max. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.